Hello, I'm Mahi Bhatt and I welcome all of you to TRN today. So, today we are going to talk about an Indian girl who made all of us proud yesterday. You might have heard about it already. So, without wasting any time, let's just talk about her. So, that yesterday it was a very proud moment for India as Srisha Bandla, who is of Indian origin but lives in America, became the third woman after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams who went to space through NASA, obviously. So, you might have heard like a lot of people were praising her. Like we were proud. Like each and every Indian was proud of her. She was also how can I put it forward? Like she is an idol for all of us. Like we can make her an idol. Like we should put her on that pedestal. Like she showed immense willpower and courage, and that is so good. As you might have heard about her story. Since she was a young girl, she always had that dream that she wanted to travel. She wanted to explore the sky, know about it, and she achieved that. And it's not easy. She had to face a lot of problems. Like when she went to US, she used to live right across the space agency, and so ever since then she wanted to be a part of it. So initially she tried for the Air Force, US Air Force, but she was not selected because of poor eyesight. So obviously that must have been some sort of a heartbreak for her, because this was her dream from the very beginning. As soon as she started, that much as she gained that knowledge and that maturity, that was her dream. But still she carried her dream so well. Like she fulfilled it somehow, and in a much better way. So she worked hard. She just got admitted to one of those space organizations, and she became the vice president of government affairs and research operations at Branson's Virgin Galactic. So and through that she went to the space. So I don't know, like a lot of people should learn from her, like the immense courage and willpower she showed even after the struggle she went through. Like we can learn a little bit from her. Like even Kalpana Chawla, she was from Haryana, and even this girl, they both showed immense courage. And they, as you know, Indian society is not that much not open about what the girls do. So she broke all those orthodox mindsets, and she did so well. I mean, it won't harm if we learn a few things from her, if we learn from her achievements and try to do the same ourselves. Talking about Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, they all made us proud. And as I could say, like even from my own family members and as many people as I communicated with, they all were so proud of her. Like obviously, no doubt she lives in US now, but the fact that she is of Indian origin, that is so big in itself. Like we couldn't stop talking about her. Like we just get going through all of her history and whatever she did and how she got where she was. And it was so emotional moment for all of the Indians, and we all were so proud of her and because of what she achieved. And we just want to congratulate her for her achievement. And I hope, personally, I hope as many women, to learn from her, to have that strong determination, just be focused for their aim so that they get what they want to. So yeah, thank you so much for being here with me today, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.